Levi Woodbury, December 22, 1789, September 4, 1851, was an Associate Justice of the Supreme Court of the United States, 1A Senator, Governor of New Hampshire and Cabinet member in 3 administrations. He was the first justice to have attended law school. Woodbury was born in Francistown, New Hampshire, the son of Mary and Peter Woodbury. He began his education at Atkinson Academy. He graduated from Dartmouth College, Phi Beta Kappa, in 1809, briefly attended Tapping Reeve Law School in Litchfield, Connecticut, and read law to be admitted to the New Hampshire bar in 1812. He became the first Supreme Court justice to attend law school. Later, he was in private practice in Francistown from 1812 to 1816. He also joined the Freemasons. His education contributed to his early start in law, which led to his later political positions. He was admitted to the New Hampshire bar in 1812 and began practicing law in his hometown. During his time in Francistown, he wrote the Hillsborough Resolves to defend the Madison administration for their decisions in the War of 1812, which marked the beginning of his political involvement. Following the publication of his defense, he gained the recognition he needed to receive an appointment to the state senate in 1816. In quick succession, he was appointed to the state Supreme Court a year later, and in 1823, he was elected as the governor of New Hampshire. During the time of his gubernatorial election, there was factionalism within the party. The caucus chose Samuel Dinsmore as the candidate for governor, but an irregular public convention elected Woodbury as the other candidate. Woodbury defeated Dinsmore by a wide margin, but his 1 year as governor was a failure. He tried to reconcile the Federalists and Democratic Republicans but did not make a lot of progress. Eventually he became a U.S. Senator from New Hampshire, during which time he served as the chairman of the Senate Commerce Committee. Throughout Woodbury's political career, he was characterized as being independent and moderate, which some scholars interpret as indecisiveness and hesitancy. Woodbury was a clerk of the New Hampshire State Senate from 1816 to 1817, and a justice of New Hampshire Superior Court of Judicature from 1817 to 1823. He was governor of New Hampshire from 1823 to 1824 and was Speaker of the New Hampshire House of Representatives, 1825.